The cops are here. We gotta get out of here, you guys. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. We're on our way over to another Twisted Society night car show. Steve and Isaac are already over there right now in their Hondas, and we're literally like right around the corner. We're gonna pull up right now. We're gonna find a parking spot, and we're gonna see, you know, what the night car scene looks like around here. You know, we've seen it a few times, but there's always some new stuff occasionally, which is cool. Oh, speed bumps, no. All right, luckily it wasn't too bad of a speed bump. All right, so we're gonna walk around. We're gonna find Steve and Isaac real quick. We're gonna meet up with them, and then we're gonna scrape here. No, and then we should be good. The blue Miata over there too. Honestly, I was thinking about getting some underglow.
I know, dude. It looks cool.
This is the underglow squad right here.
It looks like the same kit.
Dude, this front bumper is pretty sick, actually. Dude, and these wheels, I don't know if it gets cleaner than that. Jesus. Then the Miatas.
Gang gang.
Oh, you haven't? Oh shoot.
Only like the video.
Dude, it's not 100%, but it's pretty close. Like, we got the right above the door handle I gotta fix right here. I put the screw from the trim piece right through it. So, you know, not very smart on my end, but
We're gonna get it fixed.
yeah, it's sanded, it's fixed basically. Now I just need to like,
Was it Bondoed or was it like?
yeah, well, so because he said if he just put Bondo over the hole, over time it would push in. So he had to weld it and like fill it with metal basically. But it's gonna jeez, man. Dude, this is a wide body. Oh yeah, dashy.
Always here, that Evo.
Wide body Genesis. You know, I had a Genesis, blew the motor, and blew the transmission. Either I'm too tough or the car's too weak.
That's the living like Johnny way.
That's the living like Johnny way.
That's how you know you're living like Johnny.
Exactly. Oh shoot. Dang, bro. Y'all, the SIs over here? What is this? This isn't just like regular Hondas over here. These are SIs. And is this a Type R?
Yeah.
Dang, bro. Dang, bro. This thing is clean.
It looks clean, but there's like small little details that bug me about the thing.
I mean, it looks pretty good. You guys with the SIs. 5-speed? 6-speed. Sheesh, man, that's amazing actually. Dang, and the Type R. Oh man, RSX. And Dashy's car, bro. Steve, you gotta get something on your car.
That would be sick.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it. Is this the Benzo? Dang.
Sheepy race.
It's the Sheepy Benz? Oh god. Oh jeez. Let's not stand in front of a car that's launch control.
Yeah, yeah.
Dang, that sounded amazing though, bro. That was pretty sick. That was pretty sick. Damn, that's cool.
There's dreams in there.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's dreams.
It's dreams. It's NOS. It's NOS. There's NOS. You can't see it. It's NOS on the inside. Those things are fast. What is that? That's the SRT4. Yeah, man. I've seen those. Those things rip, bro. Yeah, they're fast. Or at least I've seen them fast running. I don't know if they're all fast. Dude, this thing. So I was thinking, if I was gonna stay in the Z, I would have to get
Come on.
a Z33.
Bring the car over here, please. While it's empty over here.
Bring it here.
Come on. That'd be so clean.
Okay. I'll go get it. Right now?
Alright, what's up guys? Living Like Johnny here. I just got this new Z guy.
Yeah, the dude's 300ZX.
They all gonna stay red.
It's getting scary. Oh no, now it's a war. Alright, Johnny's coming around the corner right now. We're gonna back him in.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's Living Like Johnny! Yeah, everything is right with the world.
Back up at all?
No, you're fine. That's good. That's perfect. This is the thumbnail. Johnny, this is your thumbnail.
It's like Fast and Furious out here.
I know, right? I was gonna say, like, this is getting scary.
Thank you. I know, it's like, the cops are literally gonna show up whether we want them to or not. Oh. Dang, bro. Oh my god. Dang. I would have to, I mean, think the Z33 and the Z32 go really well together. And I'd have to get a Z32 in the future someday.
Yeah.
Paint match it red.
Yeah. Even the SI logo is blacked out. I'm gonna do the red badges still.
Okay, I don't
I
blame
want
you.
it to match the SI.
The red is pretty sick. There's not even music playing. He's just got like bass notes. Like, oh man, see the RPF ones? They don't look half bad.
That's what I was saying. Sweet.
Dang. This is also 9th gen, right?
Yes.
Oh, they're all 9th gens? Dang. Oh, that's a coupe. I see.
They had like a design overhaul, so later in the 9th gen time.
I mean, any type of those like RPF1 style wheels are gonna look amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Do the yellow fog lights? I saw a Supra with the yellow fog lights in it. Oh my god.
Dude, pulled up. No. That thing's probably quick as hell. These are like the sleepers right here.
Later, brother.
Later, man.
Dang. It's pretty wild out here, but the cops have not showed up yet.
That's a record.
I can't put that in the thumbnail. They're like, no cops. People will be like, I'm not clicking that.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's the cops. I can say it happened now. The thumbnail works.
They showed up.
We got the Miata and the R32. Nowadays, this Miata is probably worth about the same as that R32, unfortunately. Gotta make a Hot Wheels of this car. Oh, shoot. Sketch. All right, you guys, most everyone has left at this point, and it's becoming chaotic, so, you know. Yo. Dang. Jesus. It's getting rowdy out here, you guys. That guy's awesome. More to come, more to come. That is the cleanest C32 I've ever seen. Let's get out of here before the cops come.
For real.
Look at that guy smoked out the situation over there.
Gonna do something?
Should we go to Cane's?
What?
Is he gonna do something? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, bro.
Yeah, let's get out.
Let's do it. Okay, I'll call you. I'm out of here, bro. Oh, man. Oh. We got one more. Oh, I thought he was gonna do it. Good night, guys. Oh, it's the sirens. The cops are here. We gotta get out of here, you guys. Could you imagine? That sounded cool. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more of the Twisted Society car meets, and we'll do that as well. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Join the family. We just hit 3,800 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.
Peace out. See ya.
Peace. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Oh wait, let me think. You cut all this out. It's amazing. They'll never know.